Hi everyone, this is my second day of speaking English to myself in front of camera. So I know first time it's hard to speak to someone, but when you do it daily or practice English daily to someone, you will it will easy to talk to someone because in the beginning you made mistakes, you feel embarrassed of speaking to someone, but again and again practice again and again, you will be fluent in English, and you will not shy to speak to someone. So in the beginning, you can practice again and again. Try to speak to someone in front of mirror or record yourself in camera like me. I am recording it because I want to improve my English. So you can also do the same, or you can watch my videos to up to the very end, and you will improve your English like me. I want to become fluent in English, so I will speak English daily, or I will also do the things that all people do to learn a new language, because my dream is to become fluent in English. So I will never stop my dream. I will never quit, or I will never change my dream. I upload videos daily, and I will never quit and one day, because if you quit one day, you will not try again, or you will forget the other day also. So my goal is to become fluent in English, and that's why I create and record videos to myself while speaking to myself in front of camera. You can also do the same if you want to learn English and you want to become fluent in English. So I know it will take time, and I will give that time to myself, because if I speak 10 minutes a day, my English will be better every day and every day, because I will not quit. And you can also learn this with me while practicing with me, or you can also record yourself while you have free times. If you give 10 minutes to yourself, you will become the prime version of yourself. And thank you. Have a nice day.